Good morning, it's day 5 and I'm going to have a quick look around the Riverside, just the arcade and stuff like that before and then we're off to the swimming pools and then we're going to Magic Kingdom later on today. So let's take you on a little walk. So we're looking in the arcade. This is to the left of where all the restaurants are. Where's the let's see, the arcade is open 24 hours a day. It's one of the largest arcades apparently on the resort. There's quite a few rides. The old original space dancing. So as you can see, it's quite big. Blazing ancient one-handed Harley Davidson game. Bit of basketball. But not least, the famous massage chairs. Apparently I've seen a few things, vlogs. They're going to be really comfortable. And that's it. Cost out there for you. Okay, cards. You want to keep them kids busy while you're going to the bar. That's what we pay. Back out.
Hi, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like and comment below. Thank you.